Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Monday, May 26. Starting this week, the Education Ministry will be sending schools a master list of supplementary textbooks for grades 1 to 9. This follows Minister Ronald Thwaites' recent announcement that only textbooks approved by his ministry should be given to parents for purchases. The Education Ministry is reminding parents that they should only be paying about $5,000 when buying additional textbooks for students in grades 1 to 6 and $12,000 for grades 7 to 9. Parents should consult the Ministry of Education's website for a list of the approved textbooks. Phase 1 of the BARRANT Center of Excellence was completed and the health center reopened to Eastern St. Thomas residents. The building housing the health center was renovated at a cost of $25 million sourced from the National Health Fund. BARRANT is the third of 4 centers of excellence to be opened after completing Phase 1 of the planned works. The fourth, Claremont, is close to completion.
The setting up and running of these centers of excellence is part of a larger scheme to make Jamaica the health hub for the Caribbean and a major player in the Americas.
The Centers of Excellence are expected to offer enhanced customer service. Among other things, BARRANT is now able to offer some specialist and diagnostic services delivered at the Princess Margaret and Kingston Public Hospitals. The health center will get a new operating theatre, X-ray and laboratory services, food court and additional parking spaces in Phase 2 of the project. Jamaica has received $718 million in grant funding from the European Union for the final leg of the Jamaica Banana Accompanying Measures program. 2,000 banana and plantain farmers and workers from Portland, St. Thomas, St. Catharines, St. Mary, Clarendon and St. James will benefit from the program over the next 4 years. The program will administer technical assistance in crop testing and sampling and enhance the development of the fruit's quality, quantity and resilience to diseases. In a message read by Minister Maurice Guy, Agriculture Minister Roger Clark welcomed the program.
Through these programs, we will be better able to recover production in the affected areas after a storm, strengthen the resilience of you, the farmers, against future shocks, and provide you with livelihood coping strategies and a more sustainable production method.
The final leg of the program will be managed and implemented by the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, the Banana Board and the All-Island Banana Growers Association. Jamaica has moved up 54 places on the World Bank Logistics Index, which means the country is considered more investment-ready in the global logistics chain. The World Bank 2014 Logistics Performance Index reports that Jamaica has improved significantly in all 6 indicators over the last 2 years. In 2012, the World Bank Logistics Index placed Jamaica at 124 out of 160 countries. The country is now ranked at 70. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce Anthony Hilton made the disclosure during his contribution to the 2014-2015 sectoral debate recently.
This achievement is in a single reporting period is unprecedented. This achievement validates Jamaica's ambition to become the next major global logistics hub.
Jamaica scored high marks in several areas, including the efficiency of the clearance process at ports and logistics infrastructure, which speak to the quality of Jamaica's trade and transport-related network. Greater cultural exchange and dialogue is being facilitated between Japan and Jamaica through the recent opening of a Japanese exhibition at the National Gallery of Jamaica titled Japan, Kingdom of Characters. The exhibit showcases Japanese modern culture of anime and manga and will be on display at the National Gallery until June 14. The showcase is part of the commemoration of 50 years of Jamaica-Japan diplomatic relations.
I will continue to organize many other events throughout the year.
And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller has called on the administrators of the Land Administration and Management Program (L.A.M.P) to provide special concessionary rates for senior citizens using the services.
Minister, on behalf of the seniors, I'm going to ask you and your officials for the L.A.M.P program to ensure you can do something for the seniors who will be getting the titles for the first time. Something special in terms of a reduction.
Mrs. Simpson-Miller was speaking at the launch of the 10-year extension of L.A.M.P. She urged Jamaicans to take advantage of the services provided by the program, asserting that L.A.M.P was still the best value for money in land registration services. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.